They devour everything. Not even light can escape. But what if we could travel through them? Black holes are some of the most terrifying yet fascinating objects in the universe. But how do they form? Could we ever enter one? And why are humans so obsessed with them? Black holes begin as some of the largest stars in the universe. When a massive star, at least 20 times the size of our sun, runs out of fuel, it collapses under its own gravity. This triggers a supernova explosion, leaving behind an ultra-dense core. If this core is heavy enough, gravity crushes it into an infinitely small point, a singularity where the laws of physics as we know them break down. Around this singularity is the event horizon, the point of no return. Anything that crosses it is doomed to fall forever into darkness. And if you fell in, the gravity near the event horizon would stretch your body into a thin strand, what scientists call spaghettification. It's a one-way trip, or is it? Traveling through a black hole would require technology beyond anything we have today. First, we'd need a ship that can withstand extreme gravity, possibly using negative energy or exotic matter to counteract the immense pull. Some theories suggest a black hole might contain a wormhole, a tunnel connecting different points in space and time. If this is true, a spacecraft with the right shielding and propulsion could enter and possibly exit somewhere else in the universe. But there's one huge problem. Once inside, we wouldn't be able to send information back. The intense gravity would slow down time dramatically, meaning if someone survived the trip, thousands, maybe even millions of years could pass outside before they returned. So why are we so obsessed with black holes? They push the limits of human knowledge. Albert Einstein's equations predicted them, but even he didn't believe they could exist. Then, in 2019, scientists captured the first real image of a black hole, proving these cosmic monsters are real. They challenge everything we know about physics, time, and reality itself. And let's be honest, black holes are a sci-fi dream. They represent the unknown, the ultimate cosmic mystery. If we ever unlock their secrets, they could hold the key to faster-than-light travel, time manipulation, or even alternate dimensions. Black holes are both terrifying and awe-inspiring. They are the monsters of the universe, but they may also be the gateways to something greater. Until then, we can only dream and continue searching for answers. If you love exploring the mysteries of the universe, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment below what topic you want us to cover next.